Here you go. Here's a Cheerio. Oh, you want to eat it? Here. Let's look at the bees. Here's your bees. Okay. Now. Can you put a Cheerio on the bus? Very good. What about, can you put a Cheerio on the bed? Where's the bed? Very good. And it's gone. Can you put a Cheerio on the boat? Very good. Can you say boat? Hey. Yes, that's the boat. Can you say it? Boat. Good girl. Can you put a Cheerio on the bee? Where's the bee? Bee said, yes. Bzz. Bee. What about, can you put a Cheerio on the bow?
Bow.
Where's the bow?
Bow.
Yes, bow. Put a Cheerio on it.
Bow. Bow.
Bow. Put it on.
Bow.
Put it on the bow. Good girl.
Bow.
Good job. What about this? What is this? Bed. The bed. Do you hear that? That sounds like a bus. All right, say bye-bye. Gia. Gia, say bye-bye. You say.
Bow.
Bye-bye.
Bye. Bye.
Good girl.